Hi friends, welcome to my channel, A Creative Bubble. I'm back with another video on making Christmas ornaments. I will list the materials used in the description box below. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below. To make this ornament, you require a thermocol cone, some golden fabric, beautiful silver trim, some jewellery wire, as well as a little bell. Start by gluing the fabric on the cone. Just ensure to cover all the sides of the cone, including the bottom. This is how it will look like once done. Now take some wire and form a U shape. Add some glue at the ends and then stick it to the bottom of the cone. Now start gluing the silver trim on the cone in a spiral. Now take the bell and attach it to the hoop that we created at the bottom of the ornament. Here I've attached an earring hook to an eye pin to which I'm adding few tiny silver beads. Now use a round nose plier to create a hook or a U shape at the end and then attach it to the top of the ornament to make it easy to hang from the tree. Once done, your beautiful ornament with a little bell at the bottom is ready. To make pipe cleaner snowflakes, just wrap white pipe cleaners over each other to create 6 sides. You should be able to make 6 sides with 3 pipe cleaners. Trim the ends to make the sides symmetrical. Add a little PVA glue on top of the snowflake and then sprinkle some silver glitter on top. Once done, dust off the excess glitter and your silver snowflake ornament is ready. To make this ornament, cut some strips of glitter paper. Notice that the edges of each strip are cut at an angle. You will also need a circle from the same sheet of paper. Now fold each petal as shown and use some hot glue to secure it. Once you've made all the petals, put some glue on the circle and attach the petals. I ended up using 7 petals to complete the flower. Now attach a twine so that you can hang the ornament. I also added a pearl at the center of the flower to make it look better. For making this ornament, you will require a pine cone. I've already spray painted it gold. The next thing that you will need is some gold glitter. You will also require a few plastic leaves and berries, which I took out from the artificial flower set lying around in the house. You will also need few colorful laces for making different types of bows. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is just add some PVA glue to the edges of the pine cone pretty randomly. Once that's done, just take some gold glitter and sprinkle it all over. Dust off the excess glitter and then let the pine cone dry. Now just fix the berries on top of the pine cone. Now the berries that I had had a wire, so I'm just twisting and turning and then fixing the berries on top of the pine cone. You could just also use a hot glue gun. Now I'm attaching the leaves with the help of a hot glue gun. The next step is to hot glue the bows as well. Now attach jute twine to finish off the ornament. This is how the ornament will look like in the end. For making this ornament, you will require a pine cone and some colored pom-poms. Use a hot glue gun to glue the pom-poms in the spaces between the pine cone. Once done, make a loop with a satin ribbon and attach it to the pine cone using the hot glue gun to complete the ornament. This is how your ornament will look like once done. To make the wreath for the Christmas tree, we require wire. I'm going to use Jewellery Wire. We also require glittery green fringe. Some berries, the ones I have do have a wire attached to them. We will also require a wire cutter. Take the jewelry wire and form a circle to make the base of the wreath. Adjust the size based on the preference and use a wire cutter or a scissor to cut off the excess. Take the ends of the wire and wrap it around the wreath to close the ends. Now wrap the green fringe on the base of the wreath. Attach the berries onto the wreath by twisting the wire of the berries. You can also use foam or paper roses instead of berries and attach them to the wreath using a hot glue gun. Once done, the wreath should look something like this. Now take a lace or trim and attach it to the wreath so that you can hang the ornament on the tree. Your wreath is ready. To make this ornament, you will require a thermocol or a styrofoam cone, any decoupage napkin of choice, Mod Podge, Decoupage Varnish, as well as diamond dust or even silver glitter would do. Now take the decoupage napkin and cut out the pattern that you want to use. The napkin may be a 1-ply or a 2-ply napkin, so you might have to remove the extra layers. Now take the cone and apply a very thin coat of Mod Podge. And while the Mod Podge is still wet, apply the decoupage napkin on top. Cover the entire cone with the napkin including the bottom. Now, apply a thin coat of Mod Podge and while it is still wet, sprinkle some diamond dust or silver glitter on top. I'm using jewellery wire to create the base for the ornament. Make a spiral to form the stand or the base on which the ornament will rest. Apply a little glue at the end of this stand and then push this base at the bottom of the ornament. Now once done, apply a thin coat of Decoupage Varnish and let it dry. Hope you liked the video. If you like such crafty videos, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.